G'day, how's it going? I bought this jacket and I like it enough that I want to wear it every day. Unfortunately, I don't have anywhere convenient to hang it. So, let's fix that problem, shall we? I quickly whipped up this design in Fusion 360. It's modelled after a coat knob that I saw in a hotel not too long ago. I like simplicity, so this worked out well. Now, I just have to 3D print it. The first attempt did not work. Not sure what the problem was. I think the print just came off the bed, and after that, shit just got messy. There's spaghetti everywhere. The second time around worked a lot better. You can see some imperfections on the underside which should sand out. The base looks pretty smooth, which is good, but you can see some warping, which might have been the cause of the failure in the first case. Wet sanding helps keep the dust to a minimum. It's good for PLA too, since it prevents heat buildup, so the print doesn't melt.
Ow. Oh, hand cramping. Yikes.
Ta-da! Look, it's probably not the most ideal spray booth, but it's going to prevent a little bit of overspray. I need a good way of evenly coating all sides without touching it. So I thought what I might be able to do is take a skewer, take some cardboard, hot glue the two together, and stick it in my router table like this. And with that on there, should be able to just rotate nice and easily. Oh, oops.
Oop. Shit.
Alrighty, time to prime.
Whoopsie. Seems like 15 minutes was not enough time for this to dry. Bugger. Just have to clean that off, but I think that looks pretty good. Time for some black spray paint. Oh, better turn the fan on.
Paint's finally dry, so I'm going to stick it up on the wall and we'll see if this holds. Testing it with the coat, it doesn't fall off, so that's a good start. Now, let's just see if it actually sticks properly. I've got a couple of these little 3M stickers. Let's just put them on. Peel these little fiddly things off. 1, 2. I left a little notch here so that if I ever take this off the wall, it's not too difficult. That's straight enough. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's pretend it's 30. Okay. One more. Bye. Okay, here goes nothing. think that's straight. That's straight enough. It's a circle. Who cares? 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it holds. It's holding. It's holding! For now. Let's see how it goes tonight. That's pretty good. Alright. Thank you for watching. Anyone and everyone that did. This was originally meant to be maybe a 1 or a 2 night build, but as always, things get in the way. And it took me about 3 weeks. But I still think pretty successful outcome. It hasn't fallen over yet, and it's been a good 5 minutes. Yeah, so in the next video I'm going to show you how I built the spray box that I used to spray paint that. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you'll tune in next time. See ya.